Hello, welcome to Sask Moto. In this video, we're going to do a unboxing and install video of something that is needed for our long trip that I'm going on this week. And the trip is from Washington State all the way to Deadwood, South Dakota. I'm going to need some luggage to carry all the camping stuff. I'm going to do some camping along the way, see some awesome sights. You know, I'm going also to not just Deadwood, but going to the Devil's Tower in Wyoming and going all through Idaho, Montana, and then I'm going to go through South Dakota and end up at Deadwood, but in that time span I'm also going to go to Mount Rushmore, so it's going to be an epic trip that I'm going on. And luckily I got some bags for the motorcycle, and we're going to look at them together, what they look like. So these are the SHAD Terra TR30 bags. They're 30 liters a piece. They mount on to the Transalp via the rack system that is on there right now. And what I'm going to do is show you all the benefits of this system, which is really cool. They're designed in Barcelona, Spain. I haven't seen them in person yet, so let's look at them together. That's what they look like. These are reflectors on them. They have straps to mount stuff on the sides as well, and then on the top. And with that key, you lock these in place. You turn the key and nobody can actually open this. You know, obviously they could steal it with a knife or whatever if they wanted to cut open, but it gives you some peace of mind. And it also locks on your motorcycle, so you'll be able to go into a restaurant or something and just leave them on there and don't have to worry about them. They're small enough also that you can just carry them into your hotel room or your tent or whatnot, but these are waterproof and they're really nice bags. Excited to put these on. On my other motorcycle, I have 25 liter bags, and obviously this is able to hold a lot more. And here's the other side. So they will go right up here, and I'll show you that. I'm going to install the system as well for this. And the way they lock is through these clips. You put them in there and this comes up with the turn of the key and it locks them into place. And the key is located right here, and they give you two sets of keys, or sorry, a set of keys with two in them. You just turn it, and I'll show you. Look right here. It locks it into place. You slide this out, and there's a carry handle right here. That's awesome. And they're IPX6 rated, so that's pretty big. That is nice. So yep, they're all waterproof and they hold a lot. I like how also it's sealed with a cap for the key. And it's the roll top that makes them waterproof, and they're really deep. I like the rigidness of them as well. So in order to install these bags, you have to purchase this SHAD 3P system. And what that is basically the racks to mount these on. So I'll show you that right now and what those look like. So one of the best things I love about this system is that this is the only frame that you need for the bags. They hook onto this, and it doesn't look like you have a rack system on your motorcycle. I'm excited about that because I don't want to ride around with all these racks on the motorcycle, and you can tell that there's supposed to be bags on it. So this will make it look more part of the motorcycle, so I'm excited about that. So that's the bar. You get obviously one for each side, and then it mounts on like that. Comes with great instructions on how to mount it. You can see that that's the end product right there of what it looks like, and I'm excited to put them on. So here's everything it comes with on the parts list. Here's the bag of bolts that it comes with, everything you need to mount it. Here's the other side mount, same thing. And here's the brackets that will mount on to the motorcycle itself. All right, so let's get started on the install, and I'll show you one side of it and you'll get the gist of it, and I'll do the other side and then show you what the results are. Let's get it. All right, so the first thing you have to do is remove this bolt, and this bolt right here. So I'll go ahead and get started on that. Oh, and what I'm using is a size 8 hex. Ooh, that was tight. And if you notice on my motorcycle, I don't have the passenger racks on them because I don't think I'll ever have a passenger riding on them. Okay, so this one, the bolt head gets a little bit smaller, so you can use a size 5 on that. It's the longer bolts, and it has a lock washer and a regular washer, and then a small spacer. So I'll go ahead and install that. I'm going to put some Loctite on them so that they don't shake out when I'm off-road and stuff. So I'll show you what that looks like. So yeah, I use the blue Loctite on these just to keep them in place. And yeah, so you put it through there. Then you put the spacer on the back and start putting it in. And I always leave it loose just so if you need to adjust anything, you can adjust it later. And again, Loctite it. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so next comes these little screws. I shouldn't say, yeah, they're little screws, but they're for the Allens. And what these, you need 2 of these washers for each one, and then a nut. So this is a locking nut, so you don't need any thread lock on it. And I'm going to tighten all this up, you know, once I put everything on. So. All right, so this last bolt, you'll need the medium bolts, and there's a lock washer on it, as well as the regular washer, and you're going to need some thread lock on this one. And then also the larger spacer for it. And then for the bolts, you'll need a size 13. I love the ratcheting wrenches, those work the best. All right, that's what I mean by it looks like part of the motorcycle and not this big old rack that you have to put on it. So I thought that was pretty cool. I really love the way that the design is on it. I looked at all of the other bags. Number one, they're a lot more expensive, and number two, these are awesome. I mean, they're 30 liters, they're waterproof, and none of the other bag systems have the double locking. So I think that's really, really cool. So That's what the bag looks like on it. And it's very secure once you put the lock on it, the key. Let me do the other side and I'll show you what they both look like on the motorcycle. Alright, so I finished installing the bags and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to remove the bags. They're secure, they're locked, so you just put the key in here, turn it, and then you pull up this and they come right off. So just give you an idea how easy they are to put on and lock it, and they're secure. So just wanted to show you that. Another thing I wanted to show you is how they look from the back. Okay, and then for the final shot, this is a high-rise muffler. So what I thought was cool is that there's space in there and you don't have to worry about your muffler messing up your bags or, you know, burning them or anything like that. So I thought that was cool that the clearance is there for a high-rise muffler. So if you have a high-rise muffler, this will work as well. It's a great product, and I just wanted to show you how easy it was to install and also, you know, the functions of it. And the next thing I'm going to do is load them up and see how much stuff I can put in it. So I'm going to put all my camping gear, everything for my trip in it, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So one thing I wanted to show you was what it looks like when they're packed. I put my fuel canisters on there. Pretty happy about that. And here's the other one. And this is what it looks like. And I have tent, sleeping bag, all my camping stuff in both of these bags. So that's how full it gets. One of the things that I did learn about it is this is the most you can have in it right here, because it doesn't allow you to put more stuff in, because you have to lock these in place, which is not a bad thing. So that means you can't overstuff these things and have too much stuff in them. So there you go. Just wanted to show you an update of what that looks like. One of the good things is that you can still loosen up this and put things on top of here if you need to. So that's an awesome thing. You know, if you have something that you just need to grab a hold of, a jacket or something, you can put it right there. You know, obviously you want to just make sure you strap it down tight so it doesn't fly off. But yeah, there you go. Just wanted to give you an update. Thanks for watching.